am I?
Oh!
Welcome to Death Chamber. No, this can't be. You'll see.
I dreamed about White Lily Cookie who got ripped apart, and all humanity, magical abilities, and powers were blacked out! And it was a nightmare.
I will copy yours to make the real world's nightmare come to life. It worked. Let's see characters feel when they have weaknesses. Meet your worst nightmare. No, please, don't kill me. My green villain. Now rip him into pieces.
Yes, my Queen of Darkness.
No, don't kill me. Kill her. No! Yes. All magical special abilities and powers have taken away all peaceful humanity. Soon, we will disintegrate all special ability and power spirits.
Look at me, I'm swimming! Woo-woo! Woo-woo! Ah! What happened? Did I fall to the ground? Now I can't swim! I'm like Sonic! Oh my god! I'm gonna drown! As I say, flying through the sky. Ah! Alright, Final Two. Ready for the ultimate challenge?
Yes.
We had bad news. Everyone lost their magical powers. We'll find out. So all of you are powerless. Yep, we are.
Without my powers, I can't charge my electricity. I can't flutter jump because I have no powers now.
This sucks! I can't fly and hover! I'm like an actual penguin! My staff is empty now. I felt dull. And not to mention, as SpongeBob, Patrick, and Squidward are dying as they speak.
We're all weak now.
Our special abilities and powers are gone! How do we get ours back? So I don't have immunity of puberty powers, so let's go with it. Don't worry, we'll get our powers back.
Pika!
Let's do it, no matter what! Let's go! What are guys screaming? Because people are panicking that our powers in our bodies ran out.
Oh no, they're freaking out!
Without my powers, now I can't fly! Ha! Ah! Without my powers, now I can't generate ice and flames. Without my powers, I'm drowning! Why are everyone screaming? It's a magical spirit blackout. Dark Enchantress Cookie made a nightmare came back to life. Things are going crazy.